For 13 years they wait underground, rising together like a living clock.
Every one of them rises on the same mysterious, ancient signal.
Their bodies harden, wings strengthen, and the forest prepares for a synchronized awakening. Predators gather above the soil, sensing movement long before the insects emerge. But what happens when millions rise at once, shaking forests like a heartbeat? Their long silence was never wasted. Every buried moment prepares them for one explosive rise. And in a single rising chorus, millions flood the forest with shimmering wings. When they rise, the forest changes, echoing with a countdown only nature understands. Next, botflies swarm, silent parasites growing beneath living skin.